Good morning. This is Alberto Adriano, Sales Director at Globe Panels. Today I want to show you how our PVC Hygienic Profiles with flexible lips work when we apply them to the rib surface of a sandwich panels. So we will start with this one that usually use as a connection between the wall and the floor. So it's a skirting profile. So when we apply it to the rib surface, we see that the profile sticks perfectly and the flexible lip adapts itself perfectly to the ribs. So when you install it, you don't need to use any type of sealant. The coving profiles works in the same way. When we apply it, the flexible lip sticks to the metal and adapts itself perfectly to the shape that the wall has. If we use a curved profile, these profiles are heavy duty, so the PVC is much thicker so that it can withstand the impact of a forklift. Again, when we install it against the wall, it follows perfectly the path of the metal. So the advantage of this line is that you don't need to use the sealant, and therefore the installation is quicker, it's cheaper, and the result is cleaner than with a metal profile.